Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to answer a simple but important question. Does the iPad camera have a flash? Let's get straight into it. Not all iPads have a physical flash. The easiest way to check is by looking at the rear camera. If you see a small white circle around it, that's the flash. But before you get too far, it's always a good idea to look up the exact model of your iPad, or the one you're thinking of buying, to see whether it includes this feature. Some models simply don't have it. Now, even though many iPads don't have a rear flash, they do offer a clever solution for the front-facing camera. The iPad uses the screen to simulate a flash by lighting up brightly when you take a selfie. It's not quite as powerful as a physical flash, but it can help brighten your shots in low-light conditions. If you're really serious about getting good lighting, there are external flash accessories you can buy for the iPad. These are pretty rare though, and most users just stick with the built-in options or improve the lighting in the room. You can also control the flashlight on your iPad from the control center. To do this, swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen and tap the torch icon. If you don't see the flashlight there, you can add it by going into Settings, selecting Control Center, and tapping the green plus icon next to Flashlight. The flash is available in most camera modes like Photo, Portrait, and Square, but you won't be able to use it in Panorama mode. You can also manually control the flash, setting it to On, Off, or Automatic. Just keep in mind, the automatic flash doesn't always work perfectly in every situation. For videos and slow-motion recordings, you can still use the flash, but note that it's not available for time-lapse videos. This is likely due to battery concerns, as leaving the flash on for an extended period could drain your battery pretty quickly. And again, the front-facing camera doesn't have a physical flash, but the screen lighting up does a pretty good job of simulating one when you're taking selfies. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clear things up, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. See you later.